In this video we are going to creating message box. Message box are used to show message boxes in Python application. Let's get started. First let me create a button. Okay, button. I will show you why I creating this button. Okay, message background should be green. Okay, we have to import the message box from Tkinter message box is message. Okay, paradox equal to 50. Okay, 50 and self.btm dot pack. Okay, and let's create method to show the message. Okay, okay, so self, okay, self semicolon self dot, okay, to show the message. Okay, just simply type msc. Okay, we import message as msc, so instead of message we can write msc dot, first one is show info. We use show info to show the information to the user. First one is headings of the message box, second one is message. Okay, information. Okay, information. Okay, if I self dot, okay, message, so okay, and if I run this and click here, okay, now you can see this is our message box. Okay, and another one is show error. Okay, show error. Okay, first one is heading, which is error. Second one is message. Okay, you can write respective heading and the message. Okay, this is error, and so warning, so warning, and warning, and this is, okay, warning. If I run click here, this is warning message box. Ask question. Okay, ask question method is used to ask question to the user which can answer in yes or no. Okay, okay, so okay, if I run this, can click it here, now you can see. Okay, we have to deal with the response of the user. So if self dot me equal to as, okay, then okay, let me close this. Okay, and self label, okay, click as, okay, and I have to pack this, and else, which means if user click no, then no. Okay, if I click it here and as, now you can see. Okay, and if I click it again and click no, then you click no, label is showing. Okay, and another message box is ask. Okay, cancel. Okay, exit. Okay, 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 if okay, you take the boolean value 1, okay, which means true. Okay, self dot destroy. Okay, okay, you click cancel. Okay, if I click this, and okay, now you can see. Okay, we quit. Okay, if I run it again and click no cancel, then it's on you click cancel. Another one is as no. Okay, as no. Okay, if I click it and press yes, then okay. If I click OK, then this part of the statement is execute, and if I click no, okay, this part should execute. Okay, I will show you. Okay, if I click here and no, now you can see you click no. Okay, and another one is you click okay, ask as no cancel. Okay, cancel, and I leave. Okay, self me 0, which means no. Click no, else mean can. Okay, when I click okay, cancel, then else should execute. Okay, you click. Okay, now if I run this and click yes, then okay, no, the level is changed. Now cancel, then you can see you click cancel. So here, okay, ask try cancel, and okay, okay, try and message should be try. Okay, again, and okay, okay, if I run this click here and retry, now you can see. Okay, when I click try, it show me you click try. If I click it again and click cancel, then it show me you click cancel. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe.